Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to tone your body, boost your energy, and feel amazing, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to do a full body toning workout designed specifically for women. It's easy to follow, but it will definitely challenge you. So grab your mat and let's get started. Before we dive into the workout, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more fitness tips and workout routines. Now, let's get those muscles working. We'll be doing 5 exercises today, each for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. Ready? Let's go. 1. Squats. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest lifted, back straight, and squat down as if you're sitting in a chair. This will target your glutes, thighs, and core. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Keep it steady and breathe. 2. Push-ups. Let's work that upper body with some push-ups. You can do these on your knees if needed. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and lower your body toward the floor, then push back up. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes to maintain a straight line from head to heels. 3rd plank to shoulder. Tap. Now get into a high plank position. From here, tap your left shoulder with your right hand and then switch. Keep your hips stable and avoid rocking side to side. This move works your core, arms, and shoulders. 4. Lunge jumps. Next, we're going to do lunge jumps. Start in a lunge position and then jump to switch legs. This exercise is great for toning your legs, glutes, and boosting your heart rate. 5. Glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips to the ceiling, squeeze your glutes at the top, and slowly lower back down. This will target your glutes and core. Congratulations, you did it! That's a full-body toning workout that hits all the key areas. Remember, consistency is key. If you want to keep seeing results, try doing this routine a few times a week. And don't forget, hydrate and stretch after every workout. Thanks for working out with me today. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness content. Leave me a comment below and let me know how you're feeling. Keep up the hard work, and I'll see you in the next one.